Hello and welcome to UnruffledBaking. I hope you enjoy today's allergy-friendly recipe. Today we are making jam tarts. You will need 180 grams of plain flour, 120 grams of margarine, a little water, mixing spoon and knife, a jam of your choosing, a mixing bowl, cling film, a jam tart tray that has been greased with dairy-free margarine, a 7.5 centimeter round cookie cutter. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place the flour and margarine into the mixing bowl. Use the knife to cut the margarine into smaller pieces. Rub the margarine into the flour. Once the margarine has been rubbed in, add a small amount of water. The less water you add, the better your pastry will be. Stir in the water and use your hands to bring it into a ball. Place the ball in some cling film and put in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the pastry from the fridge and unwrap it. Flour the worktop and roll out the pastry to 1/2 centimeter thick. Use the 7.5 centimeter cutter to make the jam tart cases. After cutting out the first set of jam tart cases, bring the pastry back into a ball, roll the pastry out again, and cut out more jam tart cases. Keep doing this until you run out of pastry. Place the pastry circles into the tart tin. Add 1 teaspoon of your preferred jam to each tart case. Place the jam tarts in the oven and cook for around 15 minutes. Once the jam tarts are cooked, leave them to cool. And now you have made jam tarts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.